Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Afrocare Princess and Princess Sophia. Today I just want to do a very easy protective hairstyle. Like, this is just ABC. So let's jump right in. But by the way, thank you so much Mom and Jazz, because this video is inspired by you. She just has so much cute hairstyles for kids on her channel. Go check it out and let's jump right in. So all these sections you see me doing, I have moisturized them like with coconut oil only because I didn't want it so wet. And using now what I use Cantu leave-in, like my gel. It's like a Cantu custard. Yeah, it acts like a gel. That's what I use on this entire head, on the edges. That's the one I'm talking about. So I just use that and I brush it in, and then I use my rubber band to tie the end. And those who are wondering about what rubber bands, it's quite easy to take them when you use an oil. Like, I use lots of coconut oil at the bottom as well, so taking it out, it is always so easy. It just slides right out. So I've never had issues with rubber bands. And that's just what I'm doing now. Rubber band and coconut oil, tying it in place and braiding. So there's nothing to preach about on this video because it explains itself. So just keep watching. And voila, in no time we are done, guys. But without beads, I don't think this, just look at it, it looks so plain and boring. So you need some beads. That just takes the hairstyle to another level. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm going to do to the entire head. And let me just tell you, she had so much fun with this hairstyle. When I use extensions, she says it's itchy, so I have to have it up, but she actually let this hairstyle, this hair, touch her face without complaining. It was just so surprising. So I just really love it. What kind of ice cream do you want today?
Chocolate ice cream. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.